Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who was widely regarded as one of the greatest minds in the history of science. He was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, in the German Empire, and died on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, USA. His life was marked by remarkable scientific achievements, personal challenges, and a profound impact on both science and society. Einstein grew up in a secular Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and a salesman, and his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker. Despite early difficulties in school due to his nonconformist attitude and slow verbal development, Einstein showed an early interest in science and mathematics. In 1895, Einstein enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he studied mathematics and physics. After graduating in 1900, he struggled to find a teaching job and eventually took a position as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern in 1902. In 1905, often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, miracle year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change the course of physics. 1. Photoelectric effect. He proposed that light could be understood as quanta of energy, later called photons, laying the groundwork for quantum theory. 2. Brownian motion. He provided evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules by explaining the random motion of particles suspended in a fluid. 3. Special theory of relativity. Einstein introduced the idea that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers, and that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant. This theory led to the famous equation E = mc squared, which expresses the equivalence of mass and energy. 4. Mass-energy equivalence. He introduced the concept that energy and mass are interchangeable, which later played a critical role in the development of nuclear energy. Einstein continued his academic career with a series of positions across Europe, including professorships in Prague, Zurich, and Berlin. In 1915, he completed his general theory of relativity, a theory of gravitation that expanded upon his special theory of relativity and explained the curvature of space-time. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, specifically for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, though his contributions to relativity and quantum mechanics were also recognized. Einstein was an outspoken pacifist, and during the rise of the Nazi regime, fled Germany in 1933. He settled in the United States, where he joined the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Despite his pacifist beliefs, Einstein played a key role in the development of the atomic bomb by signing a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939, warning of the potential for Nazi Germany to develop such a weapon. After World War II, Einstein became a prominent advocate for nuclear disarmament and civil rights. He spent his later years working on a unified field theory, an attempt to reconcile quantum mechanics and general relativity, though he was ultimately unsuccessful in this endeavor. Einstein passed away in 1955 at the age of 76. His intellectual legacy continues to influence modern physics, and his name has become synonymous with genius.